Hey there, Titans. Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. In today's video, I will show you how to use the tracker widget. So I already have it placed on my project here, but you can find it if you go over to Widgets. And here you have your tracker. If we go to the element settings over here, we can edit the mapping, and you can see we have different groups and items within the group. So I'm going to use this tracker to track a simple warehouse collection process, shipping, and pickup for the client. So under warehouse, the first group, I have collecting, packing, and ready for pickup. And all three of these have different values. If we go to shipping, you'll see we have departed warehouse and in transit. And finally, under pickup, we have order is ready for pickup. Now you can add and modify these groups as you see fit. You can also change the icon for the completed step over here. Let's click on Apply. And let's head over to my drop-down field here, where under Mapping, I have the values for each one of my steps. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and change the tracker to a specific value based off of what I select in my drop-down. So I'm going to check if my drop-down field changed, and it's not empty. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tracker interactivity, select my tracker, and I can go to a specific step where my drop-down field value is. Now, you can also do previous step, next step, you can finish the tracker, etc. Let's save and preview this. And you can see currently I'm on the first step of warehouse collecting, and we can go ahead and browse between these steps. And you see how this changes nicely with a nice animation. So you can think of many different ways to use this. You can, of course, also sync information from Salesforce. And that's how it's done.